What's up guys, Justin here with the SketchUp Essentials. So quick video today. I wanted to talk a little bit about an event that I'm going to be part of later this year that I think is going to be really fun, and it could be a really great opportunity to learn more about how to use SketchUp, get a lot better. So Michael Brightman is putting on a SketchUp 3D Summit in Denver, June 17th through 19th of this year. I'm actually really excited about this event. It's kind of more of a small form event. Like, it's not going to be massive like Basecamp. I love Basecamp, but kind of these smaller opportunities really give you the chance to actually get in there and talk with the people that are actually in the conference and actually learn things that are specific to what you're working on. But Mike's got some great speakers lined up for this. I'm going to be one of them, but he's got guys like Daniel Tal, John Brock. He's going to be speaking, Matt Wheeler and Brian Albert, and we've got some really interesting things that are going to be talked about at this summit. So the goal of the summit is to talk about more of those like intermediate to advanced type workflow things. So not necessarily a getting started with SketchUp thing, as much as we're really going to be getting into the workflows that professionals are using. And so there's going to be 3 days worth of events, and so each day has a theme. So the first day is going to be kind of construction documentation and modeling for that. The second day is going to be how people are using artificial intelligence with their models right now. I'm super excited to sit in on some of those presentations because I think they're going to be really interesting. And then on the third day, we're going to be talking about automating your workflow and using things like extensions, using things like dynamic components in order to make your workflow even faster. So the goal of this is really to kind of like dig deep into those actual workflows and give us as speakers a little bit more time to actually like get into those things, as opposed to kind of the shorter presentations. There's also some other fun stuff that's going to be going on. Like, for example, there's also going to be office hours. So all the speakers are going to be there and available for office hours. So you can actually get in there and ask questions with the speakers and really kind of get those questions answered. But there's also some opportunities to kind of meet up with the speakers as well. So there'll be lunch as a group, and then on that first night there's actually going to be a dinner with the SketchUp team. So my understanding is that's going to have some folks there from the SketchUp team as well, but it's going to be kind of a smaller form event that doesn't have like hundreds and hundreds of people or anything like that, so that you can actually get in there, and it's designed to be a little bit more of a personalized experience. So that first night there's going to be the dinner with the SketchUp team, and then the second night there's going to be a meetup at the actual Brightman Designs office. So Mike Brightman's office, and we'll do kind of a tacos in VR event where you can hang out, do some of that, and then there's going to be a comedy show on the second night. And then on the third day, that'll be the day that me and Matt Wheeler are going to be talking, and I'm going to be getting really in-depth on extensions. I know that's a shock to everyone that I'm going to be talking about extensions, but I really believe in how much better they can make you. This is going to give me the ability not only to give a great overview, but also give some specifics of exactly how you can use extensions to make your workflow better. So I'm really excited for this event because I love helping people have those kind of like aha moments of, wait, hold on, you can do what with extensions? You can do what in SketchUp? I just really love helping people with that, and I think this is going to be a great opportunity to do that. I think Mike's got some early bird pricing going on for another few days, so if you are interested in this, you can go check that out. I will link to it in the notes down below, but I'd love to see you there, talk with you about SketchUp, just kind of hang out and talk about workflows. I'm really excited to have this kind of like smaller, more advanced event, and I'd love to see you there if you think that's something that's going to help you out. So as always, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks, guys.